Okay, hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. So today I am Jeff Boccaccio. In fact, every day I'm Jeff Boccaccio. I am the co-founder of R Factory and the Systems Lab, and I'm also on the STA board. And I'm really excited about the upcoming conference that we've got. So it's the STA's inaugural Technicals to Trading Systems Conference, and the whole idea of this conference is to move the needle a little bit from just the technicals into how do we turn these things into trading systems. So, that could be a system you run manually. It could be all the way up to fully automated. We're basically getting more into the systematic, algorithmic, and quantitative side of things. And so we're going to explore that space on April the 18th. It's an in-person and it's also a hybrid Zoom event. All of the details for this is available on our website, which is technicalanalysts.com. So go and check it out there. But today, I'm really fortunate to be able to talk to Victoria Scholar. She is head of investment at Interactive Investor, and she is going to be moderating a panel that we've got set up on the day. And so I just wanted to connect with Victoria to get an idea of what's the panel all about, who are we going to be speaking with, what are we going to be talking about, and yeah, so Victoria, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, Jeff, thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm really, really excited to come to the event. And yeah, the topic is what's next for systematic trading. So it's quite a broad topic, but just a little bit about me. As you mentioned, I'm head of investment at Interactive Investor, and my role involves keeping across all the major market moves to try and provide interesting market insight and commentary for our customers, as well as for the press. So I've got quite a broad remit, and I do a lot of broadcast slots on TV and radio, on Sky and BBC and LBC and others, talking about inflation or the Bank of England, or different corporate updates. But I also did the STA diploma in technical analysis around 2019 to 2020. So that's where my sort of joy for technical analysis comes from.
I should chime in, and yeah, that joy, I'm aware, and I'll say it so that you don't have to toot your own horn, that you won the Bronwyn Wood Prize for the exam that year. I think it was 2020, and yeah, that's not an easy accomplishment. So yeah, congratulations from that, and we're quite excited to have you involved with the conference in general.
Well, I had COVID boredom on my side. There was nothing else to do apart from revise, so that's probably why I did quite well.
Fair enough. Excellent. Okay, well, could you tell us just a little bit maybe about who the other panelists are? I mean, I know it's a broad remit, but we've also got a fairly broad remit of panelists because, I'm pretty excited. These guys have a broad range of expertise. So could you just talk us through who's coming along?
Yes, we've got an incredible panel lined up. We've got Alan Dunn, who's the founder and CEO of Archive Capital. He's a former hedge fund allocator with a bit of a focus on CTA style trend following, and he now runs his own firm as a consultant and is also an active podcaster. So I'm sure he'll tell you more about his podcast on the day. We've also got Stephen Hode, who's the founder and CEO of The Stop Hunter. He's a former institutional trader, a PM, a risk manager, and now he runs his own firm and fund using systematic models and more. And he's also quite popular on YouTube. And then our third panelist is Rustam Lam. He's the CEO of TradeStation International, which is actually sponsoring the event as well. And Rustam started his career in fixed income and derivatives, and he's worked in financial services for over 25 years, and he's had some incredible jobs. He's got an amazing CV, leadership roles at Reuters Group, Townsend Analytics, Lehman Brothers, Barclays Capital, and the London Stock Exchange Group as well. And he's really focused on traded markets and the delivery of electronic trading and platforms, and how that relates to services for institutional clients and active traders. So we really do have some amazing people speaking who are going to provide some excellent answers, not just to my questions, but also to yours, because we're going to do a Q&A at the end of the panel. So if you are attending, get your thinking cap on and bring some questions, because I know our panel would love to hear from you.
Definitely, yeah, yeah. Think about your questions ahead of time, I would say, right? Just
Yeah.
come pre-armed with it. We're
Mhm.
hopefully we're going to have a bunch of topics in mind, and we may cover some of the questions, but I know you guys have all kinds of great questions too. So yeah, certainly come with that. So speaking of which, what sort of topics, what are we going to be covering just roughly?
Well, as I mentioned, it's quite a broad topic, but that gives us lots of scope to discuss lots of different things. One of the topics I want to try and get some answers about is whether the old ways like CTA trend following actually still holds up in today's market. Something else we're going to be looking at is the rise of AI and chat GPT and robo-advisors and what they mean for the future of fund management. Will we actually need fund managers in a future of AI? And kind of trying to look ahead at the future of financial markets. We're also going to be taking a look at different technologies that are leading or lagging from the point of view of the investor. And then we're going to be trying to help you guys find an edge when it comes to trading, particularly in terms of alternative indicators, such as social media and weather, for example, and how you can harness those to your advantage. And then, of course, the panel wouldn't be complete without a look at the sort of market volatility that we've been seeing over the last year or so, and the rise of inflation and this shift from central banks away from ultra loose monetary policy, and what that's actually mean for trading systems and traders in general.
Wow, fantastic. Okay, that sounds like a full docket already. I've already got a few more questions of my own I could throw into the pot, but I'll hold on to those for the day. I think that's probably plenty to get us going. Hopefully everyone gets an idea about the sort of things we're looking at and that we want to be diving into on the day. Lots more going on the day too. The panel is just one element, and we wanted to make sure we're giving it quite good coverage because we've got such good panelists and Victoria in as our moderator. So we've actually expanded the amount of time for the panel, but we've also got a broad range of speakers from Rob Carver, myself. I get to have a slot. We've got Perry Kaufman coming in via Zoom towards the end of the day. We've got a slew of others. I would encourage you to check out the website. The best way, technicalanalysts.com. It's linked to from there. Tickets are on Eventbrite. We're getting tight on tickets now. So yeah, I would encourage you guys to come and join us there. It's going to be a great time. So Victoria, thanks for just having this quick chat with me. Really appreciate it, and look forward to seeing you on the 18th of April.
Yeah, Jeff, thank you so much. And I can't wait to see you and everyone at the event.
Fantastic. Cool. See you guys later. Bye.